We are already aware of the concept of the median in statistics, the middle value or the mean of the two middle values of an array. We have learned that the median divides a set of data into two equal parts. In the same way, there are also certain other values which divide the set of data into 4, 10, or 100 equal parts. Such values are referred as quartiles, deciles, and percentiles respectively, and they are collectively called quartiles. Before proceeding to our lesson, allow me to introduce myself for the last time around. This is your Equationator CJ, saying that mathematics is all around us every day. I am very glad that you have come this far with us in your grade 10 journey. In this video lesson in the fourth quarter, we will tackle measures of position, focusing on quartiles, deciles, and percentiles of ungrouped data. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more grade 10 mathematics content. Without further ado, halina't matuto na! Here's what to expect in today's lesson. We will find the measures of any position, meaning the number that tells where the score stands relative to the others in a set of data. It is to measure whether value is about the average or whether it is unusually high or low. You will learn how to divide a set of data into 4 equal parts. Quartiles help you understand the spread and distribution of data. You will calculate the first quartile, median, and third quartile. You will learn to divide data into 10 equal parts. Deciles provide a more detailed view of the distribution than quartiles. You'll understand how to find the data points at the 10th, 20th, 30th percentiles, and so on, up to the 90th percentile. You will also learn how to divide data into 100 equal parts. Percentiles are useful for comparing individual data points within a larger data set. You'll learn to calculate and interpret percentiles to see how a particular value stands relative to the rest of the data. The quartiles are the score points which divide the distribution into 4 equal parts, each containing 25% of the data. As shown in the dataset below, 25% fall below the first quartile, 50% are below the second quartile, and 75% are less than the third quartile. If the dataset has an odd number of observations, quartile 2 is the middle value. If the dataset has an even number of observations, quartile 2 is the average of the two middle values. For quartile 1 and quartile 3, divide the dataset into 2 halves. If there is an odd number of observations, do not include the median in either half. Find the median of each half to determine quartile 1 and quartile 3. Let's see an example. Consider the set of scores in the quiz in Math 10 of section result. The data is already in ascending order, leaving us only with the task of identifying the quartiles. First, let us try to pinpoint the median. Since there are 9 scores, the median is a middle value, which is the 5th score in the ordered list. Therefore, quartile 2 equals 15. The first half of the dataset, excluding the median, is 11, 13, 14, and 15. The median here is the average of the second and third values, which are 13 and 14. That is, quartile 1 equals 13 plus 14 divided by 2 equals 13.5. The second half of the dataset, excluding the median, is 16, 19, 19, and 20. The median here is the average of the second and third values, which are 19 and 19. Therefore, quartile 3 equals 90. Glad to see that you're still following. The next quartile to be discussed are the deciles of ungrouped data, which are the score points that divide the distribution into 10 equal parts. This is the formula, where k is the position of data and n is the total number of scores. Always remember that if the quotient obtained is not the whole number, round to the next larger number. The median is none other than the 5th decile. Find the third decile of the following test scores of a random sample of 10 students. To find the third decile of the given test scores, we first need to arrange the data in ascending order. Secondly, we need to determine the k, or the position of the score that is being asked, and n, or the number of scores. Since we are searching for the third decile, k must be equal to 3, and there are 10 test scores in the given dataset. Finally, solve using the formula. So, the third decile corresponds to the third observation in the ordered dataset. In this case, the third observation is 20. Way to go! The percentiles are the score points which divide the distribution into 100 equal parts. The median of the dataset is the 50th percentile. The list shows the number of bottles of strawberry jam sold in a day by 14 different vendors. Solve for the 75th percentile. To find the 75th percentile of the given data, we first need to arrange the data in ascending order. Secondly, we need to determine the k, or the position of the data that is being asked, and n, or the number of data. Since we are searching for the 75th percentile, k must be equal to 75 and n must be equal to 10 as per the test scores in the given dataset. Finally, solve using the formula. Rounding it off will give us 8, and the 8th value is 18. Therefore, the 75th percentile is 18. Great! Before we finish today's lesson, try to test your knowledge using the word problem as shown on the screen. From summarizing and interpreting data to applying these concepts into real-life situations like test scores or survey results, I hope this video lesson will assist you throughout your mathematical journey. This is Equationator CJ, signing off. Patuloy tayong matuto. Bye-bye!